Welcome to my rusty garage. Today, an easy one. Wipers on a Mazda 3 2010. These are known as hook-type wiper arms. Many cars have the same style. This one has a locking tab, so press here and slide the blade down to release it. Sometimes it's really hard because they get stuck with rust and dust as well. Remember to carefully relocate the wiper arm on top of the windshield. If you leave it up and it hits the windscreen, you probably will need to replace the windscreen, so we don't want that, right? Repeat the process on the passenger side. Same thing. Lift, press, slide, and done. To remove the refill, you just need to slide it out from the end where it locks into the grooves. Now what I do is I take one of the plates from the old refill so I can use it as a guide. In this way I know that it's gonna sit properly and fit properly in the wiper arm. Now be careful not to cut the end with the small retainer hooks. Once I know what the measurement is, I cut it clean with my cutting pliers. Now it's time to fit the blades into the refill. So what you need to do is install these small retainer hooks into this end of the refill and then measure with the other end how long is gonna be the rubber. I always cut a little bit longer the rubber so it has a little bit of room for the blade. Now it's time to refit the rubber to the wiper arm. So you need to make sure that you leave the end with the hooks at the lower side of the arm when you are fitting it back on the windscreen, as you can see here. And make sure that it is sliding properly. If it's not seated right, your wipe is not going to be even. Double check that the blades retainers are securing properly the refill, otherwise they are going to slide off and the wipers are not going to wipe properly. So right now, for example, they are not retaining properly. I use my pliers to push them in that they are securing the refill. I repeat the same process for the passenger side. Same steps, nothing different here. To reinstall, hook it back and slide it up until it clicks. Give it a quick tug to make sure it is locking. Simple job, saves you money and only takes a few minutes. Now test it and that's it. No streaks, no noise, a clean wipe, that's what you want. If you can do this, you probably can do much more in your car. See you next time.